Well, we made it to Friday if you're watching this live little meeting. All right, so hopefully you guys have some cool things planned this weekend. And if not, why don't we just have some fun and do some posts, do some emailing, maybe do video like this, and make yourself 1, 2, 3 steps closer to either making money for the first time ever, or maybe instead of making $10 a month, make it 100. Okay, if you can get the first 100, guys, I know you can do 500 to 1,000. Now, I got to do a disclaimer. Okay, I can't promise any type of income, but I'll tell you what, the incomes that I have online, they're all based on being scalable. The scalability factor is everything, because if you want a job, let's say you make $20 an hour, guys, if you work 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day times 20, okay, you know what you're going to make minus taxes, and you probably get paid every 1 to 2 weeks. But with the incomes that I have online, number one, I like them because I can kick back, have a drink in an air-conditioned or heated office, and just relax and work on my computer. Okay? Number two, my incomes have the potential of making money 24 hours a day when I sleep, eat, hike, shower, shampoo, tinkle, have a snack, Netflix, screwing off. There's so many things to do every 24 hours. And it's nice when you basically have, let's say, some fishing poles with some juicy worms on the end, just always there, ready to get a sale, 24 hours a day. Regardless, you could have the flu. All right, you could just turn your computer off for a week. But when you have emails going out that are automated, and you have, let's say, videos like this that I might have on my YouTube channel, or I can post on Facebook, and people are just kind of messing around, going through my posts, and they just go, God, you know what? What is this guy in the orange outfit with the white Ford Bronco hat and an enormous amount of Hot Wheels on his wall? What's this guy talking about? And if you or they click and it goes to a video that does all the recruiting, training, talks about the products, guys, home run. Home run. Okay, so if you're in Live Good already, awesome. And if you're not, let me just take you through just a little chit-chat tour, show you behind the scenes, and I can tell you what I've learned over the last year and a half, because, guys, I'm not an expert in this. I just know how to talk on a webcam, share my screen, and invite you to a link to watch. That's all I do. Okay, I don't want to overanalyze anything, because you can really do that a lot. When you kind of get some experience and you get real technical, and then you talk to where it's so technical people zone out. And they forget that Live Good is based on duplication, making it easy, inviting people to watch a link, get in shape. Okay, for $9.95 a month, guys, you can join and get all the Live Good products for wholesale. Retail, like going to Amazon or Walmart.com, is still amazing. We have the best products. We have the most expensive ingredients in our products, but we're a wholesale company. No one can beat our prices because most of the time we're making the products for the companies that are retailing the hell out of it, forcing you to buy products to get commissions or all that other nonsense. Why do you think hundreds of millions and billions are being lost right now? Every month, every year, traditional MLMs are losing hundreds of millions, some in the billions. No one wants to pay $50 for a bottle of shampoo. No one wants to pay $1,000 for a package that has the best products in the world. And then you find out, you look at the ingredients, most of it's not even organic. You come to Live Good and look at our ingredients and they're better and our portion's bigger, but we're a lot of times 50 to 75% cheaper. Then people go, oh, you're a wholesale company. You're a membership-based company. They get it. Why do you think Amazon is so darn successful? Okay, only Walmart and a few other stores can even compete. Where's Kmart? I don't even know how Target's hanging in there. But anyway, when it comes down to membership-based websites, it's just where people focus on. People like to save money. Why not? Because if you have extra money, you don't have to freak out as much just to pay your light bill, your power bill. Maybe you just want some extra money just to buy crazy stuff to put on your walls. vacation, fix your tooth, maybe get a new pair of glasses, maybe just buy a new sweatshirt. I mean, how nice would it be to do some nice things for your family? Upgrade your car, upgrade your lifestyle, upgrade your apartment, your flat, your studio. Fix your hot tub. There's a million things that require money. Doesn't it suck? You're like born and you're like, oh, this is kind of cool the first 12 to 18 years of your life. Then you realize, oh man, now I got to make money. And some people live at home that are 40, 50, 60 years old. Okay, they never move out. Okay, that's me. I'm actually in my mom and dad's basement. They're around 80 years old now, and they're like, okay, Cory, get out of the basement and quit decorating with Hot Wheels. Okay, so anyway, I just want to show you a few things behind the scenes and chit-chat about Live Good. Joincory.com. First of all, this is how I promote Live Good. I went and bought some business cards at vistaprint.com. They're cheap, $30. That includes shipping. I got more business cards than I can possibly use in a year. I just chose red with a white font. I went to GoDaddy and I bought joincory.com for $11. Okay. And then I forward to the Live Good capture page, which you're going to see once you visit joincory.com. On a street level, I don't talk about Live Good. I give a card and then people go and say, what's that domain again? And I go, come on, guys. I think you can see it on the card. Joincory.com. And then I'm on my way and they're on their way. But after they watch the video, if they want, then we can talk about Live Good. Because then you're interested. You know about the products and the opportunity. Then we can just talk about how to market or my experience. Okay? I didn't get number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.5 to 1.6 million by accident. And I'm not even a guru. I'm not a pro in this. I don't have 5 to 10 to 15 to 30 years experience building a list. Like I said, all I know how to do is just invite people to watch a link, either via an email, or maybe I post on social media like Facebook, or I just turn my webcam on and talk for 10 minutes and upload it on a YouTube channel. Out of billions and billions of videos, somehow people will find my video. How to make money, how to earn money, how to make money in your pajamas, how to make money while eating ice cream, how to make money while standing on one leg picking your nose. Guys, do crazy stuff. People eventually will find your videos, but you got to make them. People will eventually read your posts on Facebook, but you have to make them. The trick, in my opinion, is he who posts the most, he or she that posts the most, will probably raise their glass with a toast and get sales. This is my opinion, because the more I post, the more money I make. When I talk about my online opportunities, I make more money. Every time I do a Facebook post, I can see how many people just go and check out my Live Good opportunity. Okay? And that might be you. This is what Live Good's website looks like. Anybody can go to livegood.com. I recommend just go look at the products. Just go to the products tab and check out all of our products. Hit the white rectangle button that says learn more. It'll tell you the wholesale price, the retail price, the ingredients, the seals of approval. And when you go to buy our products, it'll tell you how much the products are, how much the shipping is, before you even press buy. So you know exactly the dollar amount you're going to invest in the products. Now remember this. After you buy our products, you have 3 months, 90 days to use the products all the way empty. And if you just didn't get a good experience for whatever reason, send back the container or the packet or the package to the Jupiter, Florida distribution center. Full refund, no questions asked. 3 months. Guys, right now it's November, December. Guys, you got till January, February. If you order right now, just to forget you even bought the products. Send it back, get a full refund. Right there alone, boom, slam dunk. I know for a fact the products are awesome. I buy them, and I was a product buying dude before I became a Maniac affiliate. I wasn't even a member. I was just buying the products, like going to Amazon or Walmart.com. Then I became a member for $10 a month, and I started getting wholesale pricing. So I spent $10 a month to save about $40. Boom. Then, for $40, one-time fee for life, I became an affiliate. And I just started screwing off making videos and posting about it on Facebook. All of a sudden, I got 100, 200, 300. I almost got 400 people just signed up on number 1. And that's below me. Okay? And the way that the pay plan is with this company, it's very generous and it's very fair for everybody. He at the top does not make the most. The company owners don't have all the Ferraris and all the badass stuff like most traditional MLMs. Don't put us in traditional MLMs. We pay very, very generous. And this is how I want you to look into our pay plan. Okay, this is easy. When you go to livegood.com or joincory.com, just put your email and name in and go to the very bottom of the website. See where it says pay plan? If you have a big screen, it'll say affiliate pay plan. And if you have a different screen, it'll say just pay plan. Guys, just go there and click and look. You got 7 ways we get paid on membership, not on products. You don't buy products to earn money with us. You buy products just because you want to resell them or you want to just consume them for cheap. Go to the very bottom of the pay plan link and watch this video, please. Okay, it's well done. It's by the company. It explains pay plan perfectly. And if you have questions, see right here it says FAQ. Just go to the FAQ tab. And here's a lot of questions. And all you do is click the link and read the answers. That's it. So what I tell everybody is please visit joincory.com. Go to the products, the FAQ, and the pay plan links. And I'm done. Guys, I'm going on almost 400 people signing up. Okay? And I encourage them to do the same thing. Don't make this more complicated than it needs to be. Okay? I want you to copy what I do. I'll show you how I email. And this company pays me about $2,500 a month to send out 100,000 emails per day. They pay me. And it's only $30 a month to get started for 3,000 email leads. $1 a day. I'll show you how I built my Vistaprint business cards. I recommend this font. I recommend white off a dark background because look, you can see joincory.com from what? I'm about like 4 feet away from my webcam right now. You can probably still see it. If I put this on a board or I put it on a desk just sitting, I just want people to click the link. I don't need to put my email address and my cell phone and everything on the back. I just keep it empty in case I need to write something or pick my teeth because I have something in my tooth. I don't have dental floss. But make things simple. Let's just duplicate together. Copy what I do. And I want your friends, family, and people that sign up with you to do the same thing. Okay? We make this simple. It's based on $9.95 a month. If you want to come aboard, $49.95. Guys, it's only $50 to get started. First 2 people you sign up, you get $25 the following Thursday because we get paid every Thursday. Every Thursday. I've been doing this a year and a half now, and they haven't missed my pay. Every Thursday morning, I know what I'm making. By noon, the money is in my bank. Sometimes the company pays early on holidays. Ben just goes, hey, you know what? I'm going to do a little surprise, little gift. The day before payday, around Christmas or Christmas Eve, it could be even Thanksgiving, he'll even pay early. And the nice thing is the bigger we get, the more members we get. Guys, we have almost 1.6 million right now in less than 2 years. Okay? Our products are getting cheaper because we have more buying power. Why do you think Walmart dominates? Do you think they have buying power? You bet your butt they do. So do we. Okay? We're by far the #1 home-based business in 2023 and 2024. No one is going to even touch us in 2025 coming up in a month and a half. It's just not going to happen. We have 2,000 to 3,000 people per day signing up worldwide. No one knows about LiveGood. Zero competition. If you guys are watching me now, now's the time to join because it's winter time. And here in America, most people aren't hiking, biking, fishing, and screwing often. I mean, some of the warmer states, yeah. But where I live in Utah, everybody's like tucked inside right now. And they're like, you know what? I need money. I'm going to get probably a little out of shape with Halloween, going into Thanksgiving, and then going into Christmas and holidays. Usually you pack on pounds, let's be honest. So with LiveGood, we specialize in healthy stuff that gets your body rocking. Plus, you can earn money because you're going to spend a ton on Christmas. I just know how Americans are. All right. And worldwide, who knows? We've got almost 200 and something countries in LiveGood. China, kicking butt, Philippines, over in Africa. I've got people in Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand. What's going on, mate? Okay. It's just unbelievable when you have friends all over the world checking in with you. That's what will happen. If you want to put your email address or contact information, people will get a hold of you and say hello. Don't be shy. Don't be scared of people that need information because most of the time you're just going to pass them on to a video that's already made about the products, about the opportunity, about the pay plan. Please don't think you have to do what I'm doing now. where you got to chit chat to a webcam and have a YouTube channel. Most of our highest paid people in Live Good that make anywhere from 10 to 20 to 30,000 a month, guys, they don't even do video. They do mostly email, to be honest. And I'm dang good at email. Okay? Damn good. So, starts right here. Thank you for the last 15 minutes, by the way. Joincory.com. Go there, enter your name and email address. Just hit reserve my position. Guys, that doesn't mean you've joined. Just means that you're going to get information about Live Good. And you can opt out at any time. And if you want to join inside that email that you get from Live Good, you can join at any time. Guys, $49.95, come on. Or if you want to get 12 months for the price of 10, just do $139.95. $100, you got 12 months. You're done. $40 one-time fee for life. You're an affiliate and a member. Let's rock and roll. My goal is to make you money so you can just go ahead and get free products. Then from there, do you want your cell phone bill paid? How about your rent paid? How about your mortgage? Come on now. I know you do. Joincory.com. Guys, thanks for your time. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and get a hold of me if you need something. All right? I'm not shy. I'll help you out for sure. Okay, guys, take care. And hopefully you'll watch my future videos that I'm producing right now. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.